Hi guys, I'm going to replace this cover. It's the slider for the cup holder compartment, and see, it gets stuck sometimes. So I got myself a new one and I'm just going to replace it now. Let's go. So firstly we need to open this compartment. There's like a button here on both sides, and then here we have, like usually there's another storage, like a little storage plastic piece here, which you can just simply pull out. In this car it's missing, and then when you pull it out you have the screw here, so the screw needs to be undone. And yeah, let's undo the screw first. Okay, this is the screw now, and then we can just pull this plastic trim. It just comes off. Just have to be a bit careful so you don't damage any of these clips or teeth. And now we can slide it out or just take it out. And here is the replacement, the new one I've ordered. Okay, this also just slides in here simply. It should be easy. It seems to be alright. And then the cover goes back on, the plastic trim, and the screw. And that's it. That's pretty much all you have to do. Just have to make sure this works properly. There we go. Perfect. That's all it is. Takes 1 or 2 minutes. I hope it helped someone who was about to do this to see how it works. And this piece was less than £5 online. You can just order it. And yeah, that's it. Job done. I'm gonna do a few more interior upgrades on this car and will upload the videos. You can check on my channel. And yeah, see you again in another video. Thanks for watching and bye.